Hello guys, it's Rock Visual here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up lighting in Corona Renderer in 3DSMAX. So first thing that we need to do is we need to put Corona Cam inside the 3D model. So I will put the link to download the scene in the description so you can free download it. So this angle, it's a pretty good angle, we can use it. So next thing that we need to do is we're going to put the lights. We're going to use two rectangle lights and a plane, which we're going to put Corona light material on it. So first thing, let's put Corona light. We're going to put rectangle light. Rotate it. We should rotate it to maybe 35 degree. Yes, this is good. We're going to put another Corona light, rectangle light, but we're going to put it inside the model. We're going to rotate it maybe 15 degree. We are going to enable only visible in reflection, visible in refractions, and generate cortex. And for this one, we're going to check only visible in reflection and generate cortex. So next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put plane light, actually plane 3D model. We're going to put Corona light material on it. So Corona light material, Corona light material. We are going to, I searched online for forest image, so I'm going to use that one. So this one. We're going to put intensity to 2. And we're going UVW map. I'm going to box. So this is good. Maybe we need to move just a little bit, go to Gizmo. Yeah, this is good. Next thing that we're going to do, we're going to start interactive rendering. So we're going to put Corona glass material on this one, this plane. So it's nothing difficult. We just change the IOR to 1.8. So let's start interactive rendering. We're going to change exposure to 2, number 2, highlight compressor 3.8, white balance maybe or we shouldn't change it. We'll try this one later. We're going to change the contrast to 5. So yeah, this one is very good. It gives a nice shadow here. We're going to add loot after we add models. And we're going to change the white balance after we put 3D models. So I used the free 3D models that I downloaded in 3ds Sky. So now we are going to add models. Let's add the table. This model has view so we need to convert to coronarenderer. We need to make this here roof, and we're going to add 5 more chairs. It'll be 6 chairs total. So let's make the roof. We'll do it this, and of our canal on top. Next thing we'll do that is we do G height of our canal. Let's do this again. We do that for it. So we don't need the source, so we're going to do this. We're going to convert the to coronarenderer. Let's put it so it fits in our camera. Okay, so next thing that we'll add is vray. So let's call it. I know this has a ray, but so we're going to convert it to corona. So we do scale it. We're going to make it 5 here, 5 here. That's good. Because it doesn't sound enough because we're not about the camera in this scene. We're only about the scene. Next thing we're going to be paintings. So this is the 4 paintings. Next thing that we're going to add is going to be a 4. Next we're going to leave it there. We're going to use a brush. We do resize it. I'm going to put the duration on the table. Paste it. Next thing we're going to put the plant on the floor. So let's scale it. We're going to make it smaller. We'll record it. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So it's good. So now we're going to add the materials. We're going to use the vray material. So we're going to open material editor and we're going to pick material from the sphere. So let's assign material, and we don't need to change the UVW. So in this wall and in the slab, on the slab we're going to put free corona material. So your corona materials are probably going to be somewhere here. We're going to put concrete material. So let's go to concrete. Maybe we're going to use simple concrete simple. Let's assign it. So yeah, we don't need to change the UVW map. Yeah, we don't need it. It's good. It's pretty good. So let's start interactive. So this is lighting in our scene. Maybe we can increase this light. Let's make it intensity 5. So yeah, this is pretty good lighting. Maybe let's change the intensity of our corona light material. Let's change it to 1. Yes, it looks more realistic. Let's add loot to it. So for white balance, yeah, this is good. This is good. This number 6,200. So next thing that we're going to do, we're going to get ready for the final render. We're going to change the width and height 215 and 2340. That is going to be better. Cast limits, maybe 70 are enough. We're going to change noising to corona high quality, sorry. Radius to 1. Amount doesn't matter, we can change it after the render is done. We don't need to add render elements in this render because it's decent. We're not going to change sky or something. So yeah, we can go with the final render. Hello guys, so our render is completed. We need to enable denoising, and 0.8 it's maybe the best value for this one. And before you hit render, you should change the value of simple concrete. You need to change the bump to 0.21 or 0.2. It doesn't matter, it's the same thing. So we can add loot or not. I think without loot it's better. We're going to save the image. we're going to save it as TIFF. 8-bit is enough, no compression. Okay. So after you open the image on Photoshop, type Ctrl J and Ctrl Shift A. So now you're going to make some post-production to it. So after we open the image on Photoshop, type Ctrl J, Ctrl Shift A, and now we're going to make some post-production. Maybe temperature to +4, or maybe 2 is enough. We're not going to play with tint. Exposure maybe -0.10. Contrast, we're going to put contrast maybe to +20. Highlight, maybe highlight to +10. Shadows are very important, so we're going to put shadows to -15. We going to put whites to -5. Blacks we're going to let 0. So about texture, maybe +5. Clarity +10 or +5. We're not going to mess up with that. Vibrance, just a little like +3. Saturation, maybe same thing, +3. Yeah, it's really good. So guys, this is our final result. Thank you for watching. If you want more tutorials about Corona Renderer, hit that subscribe button, and if you want more free Corona Renderer scenes as well. So thank you for watching guys, see you next time, bye.